Hi guys, so today we'll be sharing with you the simple onion oil recipe we have used to regrow our edges, thicken our edges and our front hairline. Onion oil is a proven remedy to boost hair regrowth and prevent hair fall. This is a widely used Ayurvedic solution to ensure healthy and thick hair. It is especially popular because it is a homemade remedy, it's in everybody's kitchen, it's cheap and it's effective. So the first ingredient we'll be using today is a small onion. Guys, note that we used a red onion as we found this to be more potent than the white onions. The nutrients in onions help nourish the hair follicles, which increase volume, shine, improve hair strength. It improves the elasticity and density, and it minimizes hair breakage and thinning. The second ingredient we'll be adding today are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. Rosemary was the perfect addition to this onion hair oil as it also helps neutralize the stinky onion smell. Guys, if you want to go a step further to make this onion oil super powerful, you can then add some ginger and garlic cloves. However, we would be opting out of that because despite it making the oil more potent, your hair could end up smelling like cooked food. Using onion oil on a regular basis effectively prevents and treats baldness. Guys, there are actually studies that show that onion oil or onion juice helps to treat alopecia. This is because onion oil is rich in sulfur, which prevents breakage. It prevents also thinning of the hair. Onion oil is known to also nourish your scalp and improve blood circulation. This ensures for thicker and stronger hair. There are multiple studies that show frequent use of onion oil in your crown area, that is your hairline, would effectively promote hair regrowth. Guys, we're not joking when we're talking about this onion oil being the oil that helps regrow your hairline. This hair oil will help stimulate hair growth, it helps treat baldness, it especially helps with alopecia. There are studies to show this, and most especially it regrows your hairline and any bald patches. It literally awakens dormant hair follicles. Applying onion oil to the scalp regularly can improve blood circulation, ensuring that the hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen to promote hair growth. Lastly, guys, this onion oil that we made actually doesn't stink. You don't have to worry about your hair having a nasty odor. Once it's infused with the dried rosemary that we used and the peppermint essential oil, the onion smell is heavily neutralized. Now your powerful onion hair oil is ready to use. How to use this hair oil? Now the hair oil can be used as a pre-poo where it's poured all over your hair on wash day. You allow it to sit in your hair for a few hours, then you rinse it off with a neutralizing shampoo. Now the other way of using this hair oil is using it as a bi-weekly hair oil where you apply it on your palm. You put a few drops on your palm, you massage it onto your scalp for a good 10 to 15 minutes. This oil is especially powerful on your front hairline, guys. When I say onion oil and onion juice, the magic it does for your front crown and your front hairline, it's honestly not a joke. There are studies that back this up, but we have also seen the results. Now guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is currently one of our favorite recipes. Kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you, if you'll be trying out this hair oil. We thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.